Today in this video I'm telling you about one of the world's worst airplane crash. On June 12, 2025, Air India flight AI-171, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, registration VTANB, took off from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad at around 1:38 p.m. IST, bound for London Gatwick. It climbed to approximately 625 feet before rapidly losing altitude and crashing into the doctor's hostel at BJ Medical College in Meghani Nagar just seconds after liftoff. It carried 242 people, 230 passengers, 12 crew, 241 on board died, Captain Sumit Sabharwal and First Officer Clive Kunder included, and 28 individuals on the ground also perished, making it at least 269 fatalities total.